Welcome to Holistic Hands University. Today we're going to facial map using the Jade Roller and Puffy Eyes Miracle Salve for grief relief. When you begin facial rolling, it is always best to do after a shower or when your skin is warmed up. When applying the Puffy Eyes, a gentle application is best, pressing into the skin and gently gliding across the skin. The salve will absorb into the ventricles, cooling and constricting the ventricles, taking away the puffy. Lymphatic drainage of the neck and face is best to do working from the bottom up. The jade rollers and the cooling feel of the stone will glide across the skin and gently move, increasing the circulation of the lymphatic system. Puffy Eyes allows for gentle gliding of the roller as well as cooling ingredients and nourishing ingredients to help puffy eyes. The whole process of using Puffy Eyes or your Jade Roller in general relaxes the facial muscles, allows your eyes to actually relax the nerve endings, and allows the tear ducts to actually increase circulation. Tension headaches, eyeglass wearers love the Jade Roller. Always remember to use both sides of the jade rolling technique on the face. One side or the next, or both simultaneously. Allow this time for you to relax your mind and connect with your body and your skin and appreciate your face. Puffy Eyes ingredients of the salve includes coconut oil, cucumber, hyaluronic acid, and cooling ingredients of slight menthol to help ease and take away puffy. The hyaluronic acid holds in the moisture and builds the collagen gently. If you go into facial scraping, gentle is always best, and it is a little more assertive than the Puffy Roller. Very good techniques include scraping down on the neck. What it does is it empties into the ventricle and the lymphatic system near the thyroid. Facial scraping is a wonderful technique for puffy face. Jet lag after a long night, alcohol consumption, even rich foods, facial scraping certainly helps. Notice the increased circulation and the colorization of her skin. Gentle is always better, and repetition is best. If you go gentle with more repetition, you will have results in a quicker amount of time. But just remember, deeper is not always better. You don't need to apply deep pressure. Enjoy the coolness of your scraper as well as the effects you might feel on one side of the face versus the other. You can certainly notice the difference as she's applying her pressure. Application of your facial scraper and Jade Roller can be done 2 to 3 times a week or regularly as you see fit. Those who have work schedules, actors, entertainers, may need it daily, and that is fine too. People who are exposed to harsh elements, environmental, stage lighting, and makeup will appreciate daily puffy rolling. For more information, or if we can help consult your skin at any time, please contact us at fatcatskincare.com. Or for our techniques and ways that we can help facial map, please contact your Holistic Hands University at holistichaNds.com.